How to manage notifications on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy. And here you will find a lot of options. Choose the notifications option. It's the 5 one. Click on it and click filters, and as you can see right here you can manage notifications as you want. Click on push notifications, and here you will find all the notifications that you want to turn off or turn on. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.